Hey there, welcome to another episode of the Cook With Me playlist, and this is basically a playlist where we cook an entire meal from scratch. And in today's episode we have 3 pots. First of all, let me explain how we got to this point. I just realized that my storage is almost full, na nikiangalia there is nothing much that is making it full. I have bits and bits of everything to it to double to that cannot make an entire meal, and that includes my coconut. This coconut is from I think February or January. I have my frozen meat that I had already prepared. I also have some 2 sausages and 2 smokies, and those also cannot be enough for an entire meal. So I decided that I'm going to combine everything. Whatever we're going to cook, we are going to eat. So this half is 1 pot. I also have my rice, and I'm going to be making some carrot rice. These are some greens that are frozen, and I'm going to serve them as a side. And I'm going to serve this with some avocado and pilipili ya kukaanga. I've done similar recipes of all that I'm going to be doing today, and you can check that out in the description box. I'm going to link each and every video that I've done that is similar to this particular recipe. And without further ado, let's get started.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so we must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
As you've seen, it was that easy, and I've topped mine with some pilipili ya kukaanga. I'm just going to mix it in, and we are going to give this a taste test. Wow, this is legit. Wow. This is good. Everything melts into your mouth and it becomes just one good thing. You can't even explain how it tastes. The stew, the homemade coconut milk that we added, has elevated the flavor. You can also taste the different texture from our beef, and also the smoky and the sausages. You can also taste the sweetness of the capsicum, since we used the female capsicum. And remember, for the female capsicum, you do not have to cook it. The greens are also tasty. They are perfect, and I also have a recipe on how you can cook some greens. The avocado imeiva poa sana, and the carrot rice. Wow. Umeona venye imeachana moja moja. So I'm going to link all the episodes of these individual recipes in the description box. You can check that out. And that's it for today's episode. And also remember that pilipili that we've added, I also have a recipe, and it just hits the right spot. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to share this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.